Today we are back with another video. Working on a car, not in the winter, a bit unusual. So what we've got is the BM in the garage. It needs an oil change, filter, the inlet manifold needs to come off to replace the gaskets, and it needs new rear brake pads. So I've got all the bits. Let's make a start.
That was close.
So, absolutely sick of saying the word so. Bad habit. What we have here now is injector wiring loom off, engine cover off, scuttle panel off, and strut brace off. That now gives us access to these 10mm bolts. Should be 2 for each inlet, and then some 11mm bolts down here, which one of them is here. I don't know if you can quite see that, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. I've also disconnected this sensor here, and there's another sensor down the back that we just have to wiggle out, unplug it. Once that's done, we've got to disconnect the throttle body, which is linked with the EGR valve on this particular car, which is an E61 525D with the M57 engine. We're going to unplug this, take this off, unclip that, and then the throttle body should come out. Throttle body / EGR. Once all the bolts are removed, then I've just got to pick it up out of the way and I can replace the seals. Good stuff. Shouldn't need to take this off because it can just come out with this. Doing things unnecessarily. So, I have been... done it again! Ah! Since I stopped the camera. Oh dear. I've retrieved a metal sleeve from down here. I have removed the throttle body, replaced the O-ring on the inlet of the throttle, well, between the inlet manifold and throttle body. I've replaced all of these and cleaned them out as good as I possibly can with nothing but a screwdriver and a microfiber cloth. It's now time to try and reinstall it. Let's go! I removed this bracket and a plug from down there. I said, oh, you don't need to remove that plug. However, it makes it so much easier to get it back in. Don't make the same mistake as me.
Saturday, 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 Saturday.
Aha! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuck!
Saturday, Saturday. Saturday, 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 Saturday.
I'm waiting, I'm